In today's video, I'll show you how to install custom zombies maps in Call of Duty Black Ops 3. Right-click on the game and select Open File Location. Right-click on the blank area and select New and select Folder. Name this folder User Maps and then press Enter. Check my video description for this Steam Workshop. Choose the map you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this Mob of the Death. Select the share option in this map and copy the link. Check my video description for this Steam Workshop downloader. Paste the link we copied. Select the yes option and click here to copy. Once you done this, check my video description for this Steam CMD. Scroll down. Under Windows, select this link and download this Steam CMD. Once done, select the folder icon, right click on the Steam CMD and select WinRAR and select extract to. Open the extracted folder and double click on the Steam CMD and wait for this update to done. Once this done, you need to type login anonymous, press enter. Now paste the workshop ID we copied and press enter. And you just need to wait for a few minutes. It start downloading. Once this download done, copy this file path. Copy with Ctrl C and open a file explorer and paste with Ctrl V and press enter. Find this workshop.json, right click and select edit in Notepad. Copy this folder name. Inside this quotation, copy the name. Once done, close stuff here and go back to this folder. You need to go to this folder. Right click on the random number and select rename. Paste the name we copied and press enter. Open the folder, right click on the blank area and select new and select folder. Name this folder zone and press enter. Drag and drop all the files inside. Select the zone. Drop this as well. Once you've done this, back. This is the map folder. Drag and drop this map inside this user maps. We have successfully installed the map. Now you can launch the game. Once you are in game, go to zombies. Select change map. Total 14 maps in default. This is the one we have added. Select the map and select start game option. And as you can see, the map successfully loads. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.